Hi friends! Today we are going to talk about adding and subtracting within 20 using the jump strategy. Now yesterday we started kind of talking about using a number line for adding and subtracting, but we were only using groups of 10 yesterday. Today we're going to use ones and tens. Now if I use my handy dandy draw tool, we've got our tens are going to look like that, and this is going to be our ones. So those are our place value cubes. We do not have to use any hundreds today because we're only going up to 20. Now, we're going to do it very similar to what we did yesterday, except we're going to have to pay attention to how far we go on the number line because we're not only going from groups of 10, but we're going to go from groups of ones as well. So just like yesterday, we're going to start at the first number, which in this case would be 14. And then there's no tens here, it's only 5 ones. So we can draw 5 little ones, so we know we're using 5 ones. And then we're going to go 5, and we're adding, so we're going to go up. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That gets us to 19. Now that's 1, 2. See how each of these is a ones? And that's because we're only going by 1 on the number line. We're not skipping over. So now we should have 19. So 14 plus 5 should be 19. If we were to do that the old way, we did a tens and then 4 ones, we'd have 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. All right. Now, if we go to the next question, we have 2 plus 11. So we're going to start at 2, right there, and we're adding 11, which is 1 10, right? That's one group of tens, and then we have 1 ones left over. So if we're going to go by a group of tens, we're going to have to count up to 10. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That brings us to 12. See how when we add 10 to 2, we keep the ones the same, but we've got to add a tens right here. So the 2 is the same here and here, but we're adding a whole group of tens, so there's going to be a 1 now. And now we're going to add 1 ones on top of it, so we go to 13. So our answer should be 13. All right, next we're going to do 19 minus 7. So now we're subtracting. We're still going to start at the first number, so 19, but we're subtracting, so we're going down. So 7 ones is what we're going to need. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 ones. So let's go down 7 ones. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That brings us to 12. So our answer would be 12. Now for our last problem, we're going to do another subtraction problem. That's 11 minus 3. So 1, 2, we're going to take 3 out of 11. So we're going to start at 11. We're going down by 3. So 1, 2, 3. And that brings us to 8. So 11 minus 3 is 8. As always, guys, if you have any questions, feel free to contact me. You know my email. I hope you guys have a great Wednesday, and I will see you tomorrow for our Zoom session where we will go over everything that will be on our quiz on Friday, which will be everything we've gone over from Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. Today, make sure you complete your Desmos activity, which will just be some practice. And then you have your practice problems worksheet that you're going to turn in online. All right, have a great Wednesday, guys.